Hi, and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman. Are you ready for Christmas in July? I can't wait to share the North Pole Trading Company collection designed by Michelle Coleman with you. This collection is jam-packed with lots of papers and stamps and dies, as well as ephemera, cut-aparts, and so much more. Let's dive right in and take a look at all of the fun pieces in this collection. First, I'm going to start with the collection kit, which includes 2 of each of the 6 papers in this collection. They're each double-sided. You'll also get a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet in the collection kit. You can also purchase any of these pieces separately as well. This paper is called Be Joyful. It includes 12 3 by 4 cut-aparts with lots of sentiments. You could easily use them for a title, make quick and easy cards, or even in a traveler's notebook. The back of this paper is such a pretty plaid. It reminds me of, I call it my Santa plaid. This is my Santa plaid. It is so sweet. It just kind of looks like Santa's plaid pants. Great for mixing and matching and mounting. This paper is called Noel, and I don't know about you, but I love diagonal stripes. And this one is so unique because it also includes this great music paper as different parts of the stripes, including polka dots and little dashes. And all of the colors in this paper fit beautifully with all of the elements in the collection. The back of this paper includes this light mint color with great stars. This is the Trim a Tree paper. It has a beautiful dark teal background, some great tree elements, and then all of these beautiful decorations. Look at the ornaments on this paper. I love the light teal mixed with the red. That's so stunning. There's also just a hint of little white stars in the background. The back of that paper features pine boughs, some holly leaves, little stars, as well as some berries. Perfect for mixing and matching. This would make an absolutely stunning card for Christmas. This paper is called Sleigh Ride, and if you like cut-aparts, you will get 6 4 by 6 cut-aparts on this paper. You can easily use them for titles. I actually think I'm going to cut one of these apart and use it on a block for my tiered tray. Wouldn't that be cute? I'm thinking the Milk and Cookie Company is going to go on my tiered tray. You could even put them in a frame on your tiered tray. So cute. The back of that features this green and red plaid. I call this my elf plaid. I have the Santa plaid and then the elf plaid. How cute. Great for using as a background, mounting photos, and so much more. This paper is called Frosty and includes a ton of beautiful snowflakes in all of the luscious colors that you see in this collection, including the teals, the dark teal, the hunter green, the fun red, this kind of gold color. Absolutely stunning. This paper features a dark hunter green background with a beautiful light green leaf element over the top. The last paper in this collection is called Better Not Pout, which of course includes Santa and lots of fun sayings. Santa Claus is coming to town, no peeking, better not pout, do not open until December 25th, as well as some holly and some snowflakes. The back of that paper features this great diagonal candy cane stripe. The element sticker sheet offers a host of beautiful elements, including these nice large words for titles, as well as stockings, these beautiful ornaments, little tags, as well as this tree made of words. How fun is that? Some snowflakes, candy, candles, and so much more. But I really like the 12-inch borders at the bottom. There are 2 of them that you can easily add to a 12-inch paper for an accent on your layout. The North Pole Trading Company also features the 6x6 paper pad. It includes 24 sheets of double-sided papers, many of which you saw in the 12 by 12 sheets, but there's also a couple extras. So let me show you those. The first piece is the Santa and then the diagonal stripes, which is a new one in this pack. This one is not available in the 12 by 12, so that's a bonus. Then you have the Santa plaid as well as the stars. Then you have the ornaments in the candy cane stripe. Then you have the pine bough background and my favorite elf plaid. Next you have the snowflakes and then the light teal background for mounting. Then you have the diagonal stripe and the solid green paper. You have more ornaments and then the red that has just a hint of snowflakes in the background that you can just barely see. They're in a little bit darker red. So pretty. You have a few cut aparts that are 3 by 4 and some banners, as well as the dark teal solid. You have 2 more 3 by 4 cut aparts and 2 more strips, and then the red solid. Here you have 1 4 by 6 cut apart and 2 stripes, and then the lighter green solid. There are 2 more 3 by 4 cut aparts and 2 stripes, and then you have the dark green with a little hint of leaves over the top. These are perfect for card makers. You've got lots of elements to cut apart and mount. It would be a fast and easy way to create Christmas cards, that's for sure. The last paper in this collection features another 4 by 6 cut apart, 2 stripes, and then a white background with just an off-white or light tan snowflake pattern in the background. The North Pole Trading Company also includes the Solids Plus kit, which includes 6 double-sided pattern papers. This pack allows you to get 2 of each pattern, and let's take a look at each of those patterns. This paper is called the green and red paper. One side features the green background with a lighter green hint of all of the beautiful snowflakes. How stunning is that? The back features the matching red that goes with all of the other papers in this collection. This paper is called Blue and Gold. The gold has the same snowflakes in a lighter color. Absolutely beautiful. The back has that dark blue teal color that mixes and matches with all of the other elements in this collection. This paper is called Green and Cream. The cream side has the cream snowflakes on a white background, and then the back features this beautiful Christmas green. If you like to color, there's also a Color Me paper in this collection that includes 12 fun cut aparts that you can color, cut, and add to a card. The back of this paper features the diagonal stripe that you can color and customize to any color you choose. What I like most about this is that I can use it for absolutely any paper collection in my stash. Simply color it in a coordinating color. The next piece in this collection is a stamp and die set, as well as the matching die paper. And when you think Christmas, a lot of us love to make cards for Christmas, but you have to make a lot of them. So the options that you have here are amazing to be able to make a lot of fun Christmas cards quickly and easily. First, there is the stamp set, which includes this beautiful, nice big tree. You have great ornaments, a Merry Christmas sentiment, as well as a holiday greeting sentiment. You have some little Christmas lights that you could add to it as well. You also have the coordinating die set that's sold separately. Did you know that with every die set that we create, there's also a free Color Me cut apart? So you can color your images, cut them apart with the matching dies, and make a quick card. If you're like me, You love to send Christmas cards. It's that time of year when you catch up with family and friends. You might not have had a chance to do so throughout the year. And I make a lot of cards. I probably make over 100 cards and send them out every year. So I need something that is a little faster than stamping and die cutting and coloring 100 pieces. So this is brilliant, like absolutely brilliant. Michelle Coleman designed the tree that you see here, already colored. There are ornaments that you see here, as well as these sweet stockings in all of my favorite colors. This is my color scheme, so this is my jam. In that teal blue, the red, absolutely gorgeous. So let me show you what those create when you put them together. When you cut out each of the trees, you also can cut out the little ornaments that go with it. I cut out the tree, added a little 3D foam tape on the back of each of the ornaments as well as the star, and my tree is decorated, done, and beautiful. I want to show you the card that I think is going to be my Christmas card. So if you're a friend of mine and you get this card, pretend like you didn't see it. For this year's Christmas card, I think I'm going to create a number 9 size card. I've never tried that size before, and it's always been a challenge, but I am going to do this. And as I was playing around, I mocked up this design, which I really love. I think this is going to be my Christmas card. So I drew in some lines to make it look like wallpaper. I cut out my tree, I 3D mounted my star and a few elements from the ornament cut aparts, the die paper. I cut 3 of the stockings, and then the joy from the die cut set. Then I created my own shiplap to create the floor and this fun little shelf to hold the joy. It didn't take a whole lot of time because I was able to just use the die paper to cut my trees. If I had to color all of those and do 100, I might have gotten a little bit frustrated, but this was super easy. So if you're a store owner and you're watching this video, you could easily create make and takes with this kit and have people come in and check out your store and get the die papers and some dies and have everything kitted ahead of time. Super easy, lots of fun, and it gets people involved. So I am loving this particular set. The next few items I want to share with you are the Deck the Halls stamp set. There's also a coordinating die set that is sold separately. Inside of that die package, you'll also get a free Color Me paper that allows you to color the elements, cut them out with the dies in the pack, and you're good to go. There's also a Deck the Halls die paper, which allows you to use the coordinating dies and cut out all of the beautiful elements on this paper. So if you're looking to do make and takes for your store or quick and easy cards for the holidays, this is a perfect way to get lots of pieces done quickly without having to color them. Some people love to stamp and color. They might not like the color scheme chosen here. You can stamp and color them any color you want, which is so nice to, kind of fit in with your favorite colors and your kind of aesthetic at Christmas time. I want to show you some of the pieces that are cut out from this because they're so beautiful that I think you need to see them cut out. When you're finished cutting out all of the elements in the die paper, this is the assortment of all of the fun things that you're going to get to work with. Lots of these Santa ornaments, love the little snowman, these beautiful detailed ornaments here, lots of different leaves, the holly leaves, the pine boughs. So beautiful. You're also going to get 2 of the words and the dies, cut those out as well. If you want to stamp and die cut a bunch of words, you can do that with the stamp set. All of the parts and pieces you see here, I did in just a little bit of time. I sat and listened to an audiobook and cut all of the pieces out and put them in a bag to be able to use at a later date. Anyone who knows me knows I couldn't just stop there and show you just the pieces. I had to kind of dive in and show you at least one quick card idea that you can create with some of the pieces in this collection. I used the 4 pieces of pine bough and I added them to the top. You can add them in any way you like. And then I played with different ornaments. I really liked the snowman, but because I chose the white background, he kind of got lost. So I had to go with a few others that were brighter. So I loved the Santa and the 2 ornaments. You could easily choose either one of the sentiments to put inside of your card, and you have a quick and easy card. Now, if you wanted to just do these pieces, you could use the stamp set and just color those pieces, create a bunch of pine boughs, and kind of assembly line your Christmas card. So, so beautiful. So I hope that gives you a little idea as to what you can do with some of the elements in the die paper. This collection also features another die paper. This is the tags that match all of the pieces in this collection. And if you're like me, I change my paper and then I have to buy new tags every year, and then I lose the tags and I can't find them for the next year. Tags are always an issue for me. It seems like I can never find one when I need it. So PHOTOPLAY has done an excellent job of creating tags for the holidays. This die paper comes with all of the tags you see here. There are 15 of them on each piece of die paper. There's also a tag die that is available that coordinates with this particular tag. You can either cut them out by hand or use the die. Now, the tag die was released with the Tula and Norbert's Christmas Party, and it's the Tula and Norbert Christmas Party tag die set, which includes the die that matches this shape, as well as a to, a from, the ho for ho ho ho, a holly leaf, and a holly berry. So with that, you can cut out all of the tags on this sheet. I want to show you what they look like cut apart. When you're finished cutting out all of the tags, your tags will look like this. I went ahead and added some of my ribbon to the different tags. You could easily use matching twine as well. That would be very pretty. I've got to say a huge thank you to PHOTOPLAY for allowing me to have all of my tags done in July. What a way to celebrate Christmas in July if you know you have part of your holiday planning already finished, and the tag and die set make it super easy to be able to do that. I'm so, so excited. The last piece in this collection is the ephemera pack, which includes 26 stunning elements to layer, to mount, to add to a traveler's notebook, include on your Christmas cards, as well as on a layout. The ephemera pack includes everything from tags to tickets to frames, as well as fun sayings. I love this Santa. It's kind of reminiscent of my youth, of the Santa from the Coca-Cola ads. There's lots of reindeer with Santa's sleigh, as well as ho ho ho, great sentiments, fun icons, a great tag, lots of parts and pieces to allow you to add to your paper crafting projects for the holidays. That completes all of the elements in the North Pole Trading Company collection. I hope that you enjoy them and have fun crafting with them for the holidays. We appreciate you stopping by and hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to like, share, and leave a message.